everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a week in my wash and go. I've had a few requests to show how my wash and go transforms throughout the week, so this is that video. Keep in mind I do not refresh at all, so I just shake my hair. Whatever comes out of the scarf is what comes out of the scarf, and you're going to be able to see that. So if you want to see this video, make sure you stay tuned. Before we get started, I do just want to talk about this company. The name of the company is Dossier, D-O-S-S-I-E-R. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing that right. But they're a high quality luxury inspired fragrance company, and all of their fragrances are affordable. You're going to get scents that are inspired by high end brands like YSL and Marc Jacobs, but it's going to be at an affordable price. So the two scents that I chose were the Floriental Brown Sugar and then the Floral Violet. I do have to say the Floral Violet is my favorite. So a cool thing that comes with your package is that you're able to see which high-end fragrance the fragrance that you choose is inspired by. So for example, the Floral Violet was inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy, and I know a lot of women love that smell. So if you are a big fan of that, I would highly recommend purchasing that one. But you're able to see the notes that you'll get as the fragrance wears throughout the day. So for example, the top notes for the Floral Violet are watermelon, pomelo, strawberry. Middle notes are violet, gardenia, jasmine, and base notes are musk, vanilla, and blonde wood. These fragrances last a long time, so if you're interested, make sure you click the link in the description box to take you directly to the site. The company does have 20% off of your first order, and they were generous enough to give me a 10% off code that I'll put right here, and I'll link it in the description box also. So that's really good. And if you are still kind of skeptical, I am doing a giveaway. The company was generous enough to allow me to choose 2 winners to choose a fragrance of their choice for a giveaway. So I will leave all of the rules for the giveaway in the description box, and make sure that you are subscribed, because that's going to be the first rule as with any channel. So make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you look in the description box for the rules of the giveaway. The winner will be announced in my video next week, so make sure you are on your P's and Q's, because I need everybody to subscribe and get a chance at winning this perfume.
All right, guys, so this is day 1. You can see that my hair is very flat. You're really able to see the shape of my hair, which is looking more so like a bob, and then I kind of have a little bang in the front. You're able to see that I have a glossy shine to my hair. That comes from the bamboo ginseng, and then it's very smooth from the I Create Hold. My hair is very crunchy, which is what I want for longevity. It does move, but it is slightly stiff at the roots, which I'm fine with. The more moving I do, the more the gel cast is going to break. My hair is very elongated. The bang is at my nose, while the rest of my hair hits a little under my chin. And you're able to see that my edges are laying down, they're swooped. So this is day 2. My hair has a bit more body on day 2 than it did on day 1, because my roots are starting to loosen up. My hair is starting to expand and get a little bit wider. It's still pretty elongated, but it has shrank a bit. My hair is hitting right at my jaw rather than underneath, and my bang is above my nose now. There's still a glossy shine to my hair, and it still looks smooth. It does have more volume, but it is flat for the most part. And my hair is no longer crunchy anymore. It's starting to soften up. And you can see that my edges are still flat. They're not swooped how they were yesterday, but they're still tamed. So here's day 3. My hair is slowly shrinking. It's hitting under my bottom lip, and my bang is just below my eye. My hair is expanding and getting a bit wider. It has body, but it is starting to get more fluffy. The fluffiness comes from the gel cast wearing away. Less gel means less weight, so the hair is going to have more volume and more fluffiness. Day 1 and day 3 are actually my favorite hair days. I don't know if you can tell why, but I actually love those days. So let me know which days are your favorite. My hair is still glossy, but it is starting to dull out. I'm not sure if you can tell, but the curls are starting to separate and become less clumped, which you're going to see right there. You can see it starting to separate. It's not necessarily frizzy, but it is separating. And my edges are still flat. They don't look too bad. So moving on to day 4. So for day 4, my hair is still shrinking. It's looking like it's hitting in the middle of my lips now. Not only is my bang now at my eye, but it has lost a good bit of definition also. My hair still has body. It has expanded and gotten wider, but my roots have stayed relatively flat for this to be day 4. There is still a little gloss to my hair, but for the most part, it's becoming a lot more dull, and like you're really seeing the natural essence of my hair. As my curls are starting to separate, I'm getting a fluffier twist out kind of look, and my edges again are still pretty flat and tamed. Thank you. Yay! Yay, Mara. All right, here's day 5. My edges are starting to puff up, but they're still pretty tamed. Hair has body. You can see that my hair has expanded greatly and has a lot of volume and width, especially in the back because that's where I'm most dense at. I did pit my hair at the roots very lightly just because one of the sides of my hair was looking flat while the other was poofy. There is no gloss and smoothness to my hair now. It's just very dull and fluffy looking. And like I said, with day 4, it's looking like an older twist out rather than a wash and go. And I'm not mad at it at all. I have lost a good bit of definition on the outer shell of my hair, not just the bang area now. And my hair is slowly starting to shrink up into this fro-ish kind of shape, which you'll see more as the days progress. All right, so here's day 6. I did pick my hair a little bit more at the roots just to make it more even. I had a lot of volume at the bottom, but not at the roots, so I needed to make it look even. I'm showing you how I kind of fluff my hair as it gets like this. My shape is really wonky as the days go by and it's kind of unbalanced, so I have to do a lot more pulling and tugging to get it to look how I want it to look. You're able to see that the front of my hair really has no definition at all, but you can see how it compares to the rest of my hair. I still kind of have a bit of curl still to work with. And I honestly feel like I could wear my wash and go a lot longer if the front of my hair didn't frizz out so fast. So the outer shell, again, is starting to frizz out and really look dull. And you can see how my hair just is starting to look cottony and like not as tamed as it was before. And it's not anything wrong with that. I'm just pointing out what it looks like. And this is what my edges are doing. Still laying down, but by any means they are nowhere swooped how they were on day 1. All right, so we are on day 7. My hair has shrank drastically. I started with a bob and ended with this circular shape. I have a lot of volume. It's very big. I will say that this circular shape doesn't look too bad to say that that's not my original cut. And I actually didn't pick my hair on day 7, so this is really how my hair fell out the scarf. If I did more picking, I could probably get the shape a little bit better. The outer shell is still frizzy, but the definition is really not too bad for this to be the end of the week. My hair is still fluffy, it has body. And like I said, honestly, it's not bad for day 7 hair, especially to say that I don't refresh or anything. My hair and edges have a little bit of flaking going on. I'm not sure if you can see that, those white bits. It's just from the gel cast breaking. I actually wash my hair on day 7 or day 8 anyway, so I don't really worry about that too much. But I did want to point that out. It's not that the products didn't mix or anything. It's just at this point, the gel cast is breaking. And majority of my curls are intact. Like I said, this is pretty good for day 7. And now you're able to see a comparison of day 1 to day 7. As you can see, day 1 on the left is very shiny, very sleek and tamed, and you're really able to see my shape, whereas day 7 is kind of doing what it wants to do. And neither one is better than the other. I just prefer day 1, maybe because you're able to see my shape more. If I had my shape in a circular shape, maybe I would like day 7 more. But yeah, you're really able to see the difference in how my hair truly transformed.
All right, guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to enter the giveaway and leave a comment down below on which hair day you thought looked the best. And then make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And that is all I have for you guys. So I will see you in my video next time when I'm announcing the giveaway winner.